Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all well. I am with you Siam Rahman. Today we will learn 13 translation. This is my first class. Let's start now. আমি যাই, I go. আমি যাই না, I don't go. সে যায়, he goes. সে যায় না, he does not go. আমি যাচ্ছি, I am going. আমি যাচ্ছি না, I am not going. সে যাচ্ছে, he is going. সে যাচ্ছে না, he is not going. তুমি যাচ্ছ, you are going. তুমি যাচ্ছ না, you are not going. আমি স্কুলে গিয়েছি, I have gone to school. আমি স্কুলে যাইনি, I have not gone to school. সে গিয়েছে, she has gone. No more today. See you in the next video. Stay well everyone, stay healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button to get more video every day. Allah Hafiz.